So DQ has that crunchy cookie blue concoction cone thing. I wanted that, but I guess the option wasn't available because I don't fucking know. So my sister sends me like a similar thing, but it's like if you did that and just made a blizzard out of it. I have screenshots and shit. She's she's like, you're gonna look like you made out with a Smurf. I'm like, okay. On first inspection, it just looks like an Oreo blizzard, just blue for Cookie Monster. I don't fucking know. Is it for the Cookie Monster? I don't know. I just think blue and Oreos and like cookies, Cookie Monster. Anyway, let's orientate ourselves. It's just really an Oreo blizzard. You can kind of taste the chocolate coating and like little waffle cone pieces, so it's good. It's better. And my favorite blizzard for like the longest fucking time was the Mint Oreo. So this is right up my alley. But yeah, it's not super different. Like it's different enough, but it's not fucking mind blowing. It's pretty good though. I wouldn't mind getting it again. But yeah, it's a little bit gimmicky, but I do like the whole like waffle cone pieces and like the chocolate bits. It literally tastes like a chocolate coating, not like chocolate pieces, like a chocolate coating. I don't know how to describe it to you. It's like a pleasant waxy texture almost. It's not really the right way to describe it, but like I literally can't articulate it any better. So yeah, not bad. I don't know how long it's available. I don't know if it'll be available where you are. But yeah, it looks like you can get it in like a mini, a medium, and a large. And I think there were 4 sizes. Maybe I'm wrong. I got a large. But anyway. And a large was like 10 something. Just FYI. Okay. So, 6 out of 10. 6.5 out of 10 maybe.